Welcome to a new video and episode on my fischertechnik robot interface connected to an LED switch, small motor, sonar, active sonar, power motor and phototransistor. The interface is also connected to shell cable for data output, so I can debug, and on the computer are running minicom for data to show the data without memory, and also Octave, mathematical and scientific language, to be able to store the data. And last time I tried to do some indexing, more of that later, and that didn't go entirely nice. More on the robot interface first. It is programmed in BASIC. In this case, with BASIC you store a program in memory on the interface. My usual projects are with Python, which are not, and those programs are not stored on the interface. You can also program it with fischertechnik Robot Pro graphical language, which can be stored in the interface. Basic beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code, quite old programming language, but it still works. Is an interpreter, and in this case you have to compile it from source code to a hex file, and it is literally hex HEX. That hex file is then uploaded into memory, and then you can use it. Two types of memory, two flash, one random access memory. The interpreter is stored in flash 1, and as said, the hex file is stored in random access memory. So also thumb drive, well, yeah, you may call it a thumb drive, USB memory stick, with a ruler, and that is specifically because the minimum reliable distance for this sonar is 2 centimeters. Anything within 2 centimeters is, well, not reliable in this measured distance. From here, in resolutions or in resolution of a centimeter, it is quite reliable, but less than a centimeter, again, not reliable. Why do I mention this? Because I make use of the distances to have this motor change speed. Then of course a flashlight to shine on the phototransistor and have some things done, and with the switch. Anyway, enough for the introduction. Let's go to the software and see how things work out. Then a little explanation of what you see now. Upload window to upload any code, well, in this case the hex file, to the interface. To compile it using Wine. Basic is Windows based in this case, and then using Linux, as I do, you need Wine or a Windows emulator, which Wine is, to compile it anyway. Well, this needs no explanation. Then minicom, which I already mentioned. I already set it to the correct speed. Both sides of a serial interface need to be need to have the same speed, and then this is decoded. So first thing to do is upload. Oh, and by the way, this is then the Octave program, and here an attempt to get some indexing done, about which I come back in a later instance. And I already noticed last time that that is going to be not pretty easy. Anyway, I have to upload it first. There we go, done. Now, point is, how do you start? Memory, then holding 1, 2, and go. You see this starting, then press switch, the motor goes. While holding the button or the switch, the motor goes, and upon releasing the switch, that motor goes. Then upon and then it reverts back here. So let's do it again. And then you see already in the minicom window everything coming by. So then I have to stop this, because if I start Octave, this will become garbled, and this will become garbled. So let's first do it that way. And I started with pressing F5, and this is absolutely unreadable, as is this, by the way. So I will quit Octave for now. Okay, this is so to say absolute garbage. So I should be able to break it with an X. Is that possible? And for some reason it doesn't accept the X for a break, which it did do in the past, by the way. So now I am starting it again, and only now I get this right. Well, readable anyway. So this is the first for me that I see it in this with this garbled stuff. And the point is that I should be able to see SV2, whichever it will be. Okay. And if it is equal to, if one of this printouts from the basic program is equal to what again? Something, then it prints it out. But I think I am confused with another program now, because I'm using this for more than one thing. Yeah, I am confused. I still have to build this in. So right now, if I quit this, you see one thing, and this is the same. and this is transpose, making x y, making y x, and then you see it horizontally. The point is though that I have here put transpose as well, and it doesn't do it. Here as well, by the way. So that's a bit strange. Now I have put this into a file. So let me go to another window. I realize I didn't even open it. New tab. And that is called to be what again? Oh yeah. And I'm supposed to be in download. And here it is basic wait. Okay, my right, it should be here anyway. Right, here it is. So this is being stored. And possibly from here it is much easier to search for data instead of here, because this is going on and going on. So that's a new thought. Grabbing it on the fly from the data file, if that's even possible. Alright, so back to data and make sure which is which. I have in here, and that is of course a little bit of a problem, several print statements. LED, small motor, which is quite different in length. Unnecessary to say, but let me point out. Then this is once again different in length. So is this, and so is this. So the question is how to deal with it if you want to see grab, single out one piece of data. In here, minicom, no way, impossible, just data that you get. Then the data, well, you can just, by the way, this is quite odd that it shows it this way. Let me go to the end. This is absolutely nonsense. Sonar, what in while? This doesn't make sense at all. Right, let me go further on this one. Why does it end? It should not end anyway. The program goes on, so this should go on as well. Let me end and go again. This is odd. Or no, it's not odd, because that's right, this is done from Octave, and Octave isn't running right now, so I have to quit this one and start Octave, and then things are running again. Then, do I want to grab it from here? I could try. The question is, how do you try? String compare. So this goes apart from storage of data. Then you say, okay, we have a V2, we introduce V3 is, what do I want to have? Sonar small in while. And then like this. So this text is exactly the same as this text. And I want to single it out. So I have a string, let's say V4 is, no, string compare. String compare. I want, I actually want several strings. V3. Yes, let me introduce another one then. V4 is whatever, sonar, single pair V4, and then in this case it's 5 characters, but in this case it is 5 plus 6 is 11, 12, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22. So we want to compare it over 22 characters, and that is not going to work out. So let me use 5 for now. With an if statement. If string compare then display this won't work because it's not going to be okay, but at least I have something to. Oh right, another one. It has to be and if. Let's see whatever happens here. It's, oh wait, yeah, this is going to be equal because I'm comparing two strings. I'm comparing that. So that will work. Always. Let me find out how I did it in the other one. Right, I had to change according to my earlier program that I wrote using this thing. I'm now changing these V4 is gone, V3 is sonar, and string compare is now with V2 and V3 for 5 characters. If they are equal, then display will be equal. So let me stop this one. Go. Oh, that is no use because the program hasn't been saved yet, which is done now. Pressing F5 and then it automatically starts. And the point is now, does it ever show equal? Considering the fact that sonar is being printed in more than once, well, you see here immediately it's equal. But it has to be exactly the same thing at the same time. But also, this is garbage. This is missing. This is garbage. Absolute garbage. Why is it garbage anyway? That is what I want to find out. So let's go to the camera again. Alright, pressing the button. And now it's changing speed and going back here. Small motor. Yeah, too bad I can't show everything in the screen. Going here again, getting very data. That's the only thing. Okay, very low speed now. Stopping. Then again with the flashlight. Pressing the switch again. Getting as very possible with the data. Slow speed again. And then it returns to the LED. Now, how many times do I see data, or do I see this? What I can do, of course, which is much easier, is if this is correct, I introduce a different file name. That is, of course, file name 2. Then I have to open that same file name. Right there. That's good. And then here, print actually not this. Let's see if this works. And FID 2, by the way, of course. So this is about FID 2. And then I have, of course, also to close FID 2. Hopefully that will go right. Let's go. And we start again. Fresh. And again, garbled. I don't get why it assembles garbled output. It makes no sense. Right, light, go. Yeah, photo transistor, although, yeah, that is all nice. So, what do I see on the data part? And then I have to use this one. Really, it's not even there yet. Alright. It's only this one, which is kind of strange. So, if you open it, you already have a file name. So this is strange that there is no gelijk. Let me test again. What do I have? No, only datalog. So this is very strange. Why doesn't it create it? I can check another way, of course. No, this is not what I want to know. This is what I want to know. Basic. Oh wait, this is also strange. Because see, this is better. Yeah, much better. The hyphen does a lot, and it has only this one. So there is something odd going on here. Why? What is? I have file name 2. File identifier 2 is open file name 2 for writing. And here I close it. And here I print to it. So, logically speaking, it should exist with equal in it. No, with. So this is really strange. Why doesn't it work like that? And I think that I'm going to leave it at that, considering the time. Anyway, I haven't changed the program, not even for reason that things are garbled. Why? Because here sonar, where's the W coming from? Sonar large in while is right here. But why is the space covered by W? That is not alright. I have to find that out. This I can't explain at all. And it happens on more occasions, more situations. Then you have no pH and an auto transistor, and in between is V3 is sonar. Also not quite alright. Anyway, enough to do next time. So, with the data acquisition going on and extended, things are not quite the way they should be. A second file name is not being created, which should be, even though with 0 content. And why are characters inserted when print out within the print statement? Not correct. And if that is that equal to minicom output or input or Octave, and I can't say anything for the datalog. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. You can also choose to become a patron, and depending on the pledge, you may have your name mentioned. All information, including the URL of my website, with much more information under this video. So please click, watch, subscribe, donate. This is to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.